100 million. Is it hot moment? I'm gonna class.
It's lit, and I'm enjoying the view. We're going home. We have arrived, and we are eating at Brainstorm. We are going on a plane. We are.
As you can see, the plane is very busy, so all remaining passengers just board at your leisure. On behalf of British Airways...
So it just done this off. It just done this off. Got 4 hours left. I want to get off this plane. Hurry up, Jamaica. Welcome back to my channel. Man started cutting yard at 5 in the morning. 5? It's now 6:18. I want to record this one intro and I can't, so I just have to read it. Hi guys, we are on our way to Bath Fountain. As you can see, my bag is kind of packed. I have my vlogging stuff, I have a towel, I have a wet bag, but we are on our way to Reggae River. It is hectic.
Where's mine?
Babe, where's my stuff?
Okay.
That's nice.
Let's go.
Look, in England.
Yeah, it's not. We can eat on the drive. Yeah.
Mama, stop it. Show some artists, but this. I mean, change up the game just like 100 million and nothing to judge on. From the looking on the eye, no one's on the charge on. Me and them police, I patrol them, I can't be a problem. Market, they my chat, I couldn't close that. So they get like, give me slack, I wish to come back. Since you want to late night, you driving me fat right like this. And it come like this, supposed to be the way to remember it.
Hi guys, we are currently at Bath Fountain, about to walk in and experience Bath Fountain. They've never been. I've been many times. I was trying to see if there was any mud, but there's no mud. There's no one here that's doing the mud. So yeah.
How far them got?
Hey. Jesus. Okay. No cups. So if you saw my last vlog, I came here, but now I'm taking them here, and I'm really excited to show them. Oh my god. Okay, let's walk. Washing off now. Look how much. Look at the. Look at us.
Yeah, if you want some nice pictures. Okay. My god, that's hot.
The hormone. I'm gonna cry.
Maybe you should. You wanna go in, Rochelle?
Maybe some further away, maybe. Yeah, I don't. Oh yeah, let out. You did it. She was right over here.
You have to be quick. It's hot.
Oh, that cheeky backflip. You know?
Yeah, do it again. Yeah, that's right.
They are now finally clean. It took, I think, 5 attempts.
Good in your room. We have finished. We are It was a vibe. It was a vibe. It was a vibe. We enjoyed. My eyes are red because I've been under the thing for so long. I loved it. We enjoyed our fountain. And now it's time to get dry. My wig stayed on. Shout out to Boto. Shout out to Boto because I thought this would be slipping. It's not. And yeah, catch you later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are currently in Golden Shore. Very nice. Where did you get this from? So this is like a sand mat and a beach mat. Obviously. Yeah, I'm coming. Drinks. Like, I wanna go in. Water. Great. Obviously, Bree's raring to go. Obviously, the hair. Catching the pictures. Because pictures always have to be I hope you guys are enjoying this lit, and I'm enjoying the view, and I haven't been in the water since January, so
fling, control a girl. I'll make your head swirl, I'll make your body twirl, I'll make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bar. I know you want your cat, then me just can't perform. I show you get the little loving on my God.
I put my drink down and I spilled it. I was so stupid. Why would I do that? Drunk Monique don't do things like that. Enjoying. The wind killed this audio, but just to say, I was enjoying my first day in Jamaica. I was so happy to be there, and basically I was just letting you guys know that today was a more local experience and just taking in the local vibe, and tomorrow I'll be going Portland, so keep watching because you're gonna see us out and about in Portland. Yeah, so I just love my first day in Jamaica. It has been a vibe, and I feel like I got a lot of things done with my friends, and this is their first time here, so I'm just excited to show them around. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog, enjoying our day at the beach, and yeah, everyone is just taking it in. It's a vibe. What is it, gin? Gin and ting. Lego. So Brianna's getting her shorts on and contemplating her life. Kathleen's getting the face beat. So basically, the plan of action right now is that we have finished. Guys, can you guys see me? I'm like, why am I so zoomed in? Okay, so basically, we're ready. We've just finished coming from the beach. We're packing up currently because we haven't enjoyed ourselves. We have been playing in the sea for hours now. And we are sunned up, we're sun-kissed. I think I got a little bit of a tan. It might be a tan, it might not, I really don't know at this point. I have enjoyed the view. I have enjoyed the sights. And it's time to go to the jerk center.
Hi everyone. Hi YouTube.
Hey. Okay, so we have now made it back. I'm so delirious. I don't know where we what's happening. And then every time I come into this camera, it's zoomed in like this. Hi guys, welcome back. Actually watching me in normal size. So we have just come back to the car. But what I want to do, I want to show you the view because the view is lit. And you guys want to see the view, obviously. Don't tell me that's not what you came for. It's what you came for, to see the view. So I'm going to show you it. So 1, 2, 3. Bye. It's giving cute. It's giving Jamaica. It's giving. Do you hear that sound? That's the sea, guys. That is the sea. It's giving. It's giving. Okay, we gotta go. I have our car is up there, and we have to go. We have to go to the judge center because, as you can see, we're starving. The energy in my voice is just no energy. There's just no. It's just dead energy. So, yeah. We're gonna go get some food. They are ordering. How you guys? Are you guys okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So they're getting their jerk at the jerk center. I'm gonna get fried chicken because I'm a fried chicken gully. So fried chicken is what I'm on. But yeah, they're gonna get some. Right now, I'm just tucking into the food. From Ducking's Field, rice and peas, fried chicken with some sweet sauce, with a bit of a juicy view. It's giving, juicy. And obviously, babe is now alive eating, and I'm gonna be eating. So yeah. Okay. No. She's in real life. This is in real life. Food nice. Back home. I'm tired, but we made it. It was a good trip. It was a good day. I enjoyed my day. Loved my day. We're literally showering, gonna freshen up. It's around 6 o'clock. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna bath, sleep, and get ready for 12 a.m. because we have to reach the dance. Like, it's a must. It's a necessity. It's happening. So, let go. So we are literally just about to go out. I don't even know where we're going. We're going to some party in St. Thomas. In Dumfries. It's gonna be tan. It's gonna be slack. And we're here for it. Babe's giving me the... As you can see, Rochelle's got the beating process. Everyone's beating it down. Yeah. We're ready.
Yeah, when you fall, there's it.
Do you hear that bee? You not see it?
Oh, wait, no.
Me no know. We can't see. There's a bee and he's outside. Hold on, we're coming home. We is ready, people. It's hard to do things alone. Looking. We're going home. Okay, so we're about to hit the town. Face is done. As you can see, I'm very shiny because we've been running about. My friend's been waiting outside for like 45 minutes. Yeah, it's time to go. It's time to go. See you guys later.
The second, see that, everything alright. Right up the road.
Guys, the sun is rising. It's 5 a.m. It's 5 a.m. We just got back. Oh, where's my pass? I think I took it off. Where did we go? Does it have a name? Time Food Celebrate. We went Time Food Celebrate. We literally just got back. What time is it? 6? 5:25 a.m. And we just got back. We literally just got back and we left at 12. It was an amazing night. Where was it? In Prospect?
Yeah, Blue Palace.
Yeah, it was like a club, like an open kind of club in Prospect, and it was lit, and we were partying the whole night. And I'm so drunk. And can you believe we have to get up at 9 a.m? We're not gonna make it. I don't think I'm gonna make it. How am I gonna get up at 9 a.m, babe? I don't think I'm gonna get up at 9 a.m.
I'll make it, man.
Okay, so we're gonna try to get up at 9 a.m to reach Portland because we actually have our Airbnb booked, so we can't miss it because we paid for it already. Like,
oh, check-in's from 3 o'clock.
Check-in's at 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so basically we can get that at 6 o'clock then.
Okay.
Because, yeah, we could get there for a little bit early, but I would say 6. Because they can do a late check-in. So, it's bedtime, so, wow.
Peace.
Peace. Bye-bye. Guys, I finished the ice cream before I recorded it, so I'm sorry. But rum raisin from Devon House, which is right there, was a motherfucking vibe. It was a motherfucking vibe. I had a waffle cone because it's a vacation. Treat yourself. We're going to our Airbnb. Yeah. We're gonna jump in our car. And we're off to Airbnb. We have been driving since 2 o'clock. And it's now 7. So we are tired. And we're ready to check in this Airbnb. So let's go, guys. Here you go. Okay, so basically,
These floors are, this is nice.
this is nice. Yeah, this is your. Oh, this is one. Ooh, I like the roll on yours.
That's not bad.
Yeah. So thank you for giving us the room.
Yeah.
A little shower, a little.
Can the shower hold 2 people?
It's looking like yes. Okay, guys. Well, as you can see, we've literally just checked in. What time is it?
So if anyone wants to see a YouTube video and then on your videos on there,
It is 6:58 and we have just checked in into this apartment. Why is my camera fucking up like... Literally, we thought this place was going to be trash because we were like, it's 3 stars. Literally, we got this place and it was 3 stars and we were like, it's 3 stars, it's going to be okay, it's not going to be good, but it's actually amazing, so I'm going to take on the tour because it's amazing. This is the bed. It's giving space. I like how it feels. It's very soft. Very, very soft. Very nice. The wood finishes in... Yo. The wood finishes, everything. Just look. You have your little towel set. Love, love, love. Sides. Look at this. You know, if you were staying for a couple weeks, this would work for you. But you know, it's a one-nighter. It's a one-nighter because we have Ultras tomorrow. But if you were staying for longer, this gives. And we got the bathroom. Cute. Guys, as you can see, the finishes are good. Love it. Love the little finishes. And I like the dark wood. Okay. Oh yeah, there's a safe up here, but like we're gonna be here for one night only. Obviously, music. Mirror. This is the second bedroom. This is the bed. The bed is beautiful, wooden, heavy, sturdy. Yeah. Look, yeah. Just a light. Yeah, you ain't going into all that. Wooden drawers. Oh, I love dark wooden drawers. It's giving. And it's the bathroom. Into the bathroom. This one's a little bit bigger than the one we have.
Guys, we have 3 bathrooms.
That's them. That's the
Will
fucking.
you? Because actually, I might have a shower. Wait, what are we doing this evening? Are we just chilling in the flat? Yeah.
Kitchen. All we have is water and mixers because it's a vacation. You guys are smart. Put the things in the freezer already so it stays cold. Like, you guys are actually living in the future. It's me living in the past.
You know how hard it is to get ice?
Yo, and we got ice cubes too. You don't understand. We were trying to find ice for hours. Oh my god. Okay. Brandon's saying I can go easy. After Nepal, things changed. Because this is the kitchen.
Come here. Wait. Oh, I love her new house. Oh wait, make sure you shut both doors, Kathleen.
I am dressed. Okay? This is what I'm wearing. This is cash, guys. This is cash. Cash. Okay? Okay. Perfect. So, shots. TK Maxx, I think. Yes. Look at cash. Look spend. And, it's not a cute top. It has kind of like this detail. And it's giving. And then me. No makeup, obviously, because I don't know how to do makeup. So makeup's not going to be on my face because I don't know how to do it. And we are here. And we're going out. We're going to enjoy ourselves. We're going to find a bar. We're going to do a KFC. KFC's closed. We're going to go to the supermarket. Supermarket's closed. It's 9 o'clock on Sunday in Jamaica. What were we thinking? Who were we trying to leave? We were not thinking. There was no thinking occurring in what we were doing. No thinking. So, we're just going to go to the bar, see if we can turn up, go home, and then crash. Gang.